AnyDesk Installation Guide, how to download and install AnyDesk. Search AnyDesk Download in your web browser. Click on the top link to take you to the AnyDesk website. Click on Download Now. AnyDesk has started downloading. Wait for it to finish downloading. Click on the Open button to start the installation. AnyDesk is not installed on your computer as yet. Click on Install AnyDesk on this device. To install it on your computer, uncheck Install AnyDesk Printer. Make sure Enabled Main Channel Recommended is selected. Click Accept and Install. Click Yes when it asks you if you want this app. To make changes to your device, AnyDesk is successfully installed on your computer. You can now use AnyDesk to give or receive remote support. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.